Greetings, friends of travelling your own path from Dingle, Harbour, County Kerry. Here we are out here. Another beautiful day here in Ireland. This is the harbour. I'm just shooting it here, on out here. And today we're going on a trip of Dingle Bay, Dingle Town, and Slea Drive. So I'm going to be shooting all along there for you as well. Excuse the wind, you know, it's a little windy out here. I'm going to be getting something for that as well for the camera, so that'll stop that, block the wind. And this is just the harbour here. It's very busy in Dingle today as well. A lot of people around from all over the world really. The town is pretty busy. So this is the town here, the harbour as well. You've got a lot of trips that go out from here to the islands as well, Skellig Islands also. I'll just give you a look there in a second. That's one of the boats that goes out. There are the tours you can do out from here as well. They go from out there. Dolphin trips, you can see fungi, sea fishing, Basket Island eco tours, Basket Island ferries. And you can see the aquarium as well if you wanted to go into the aquarium. You've got that. Just walk down here. We'll take a look at the boat going out to the Basket Islands. It's one of them here. And that's another one going out there. And another one coming back in. So those trips cost roughly around €15 both ways per person, but again you can probably get them a bit cheaper if you push them for you know, a discount rate, like, so you could get that too. And they do sea kayaking as well. You can get to see Fungie the Dolphin, so you could do that with Irish Adventures, sea kayaking, sunset kayak trips. Just walk down along the harbour now. It would have been nice to be able to get out to the actual, to show you the boats down there onto the harbour, but I couldn't get out because the gate was locked. So unfortunately, I can't do that until maybe another time. And so things are going pretty well, guys, in the community. It's grown up to, we're about 1.3k now. A lot of engagement as well there. A lot of people sending pictures and photos and videos, so something that you could check out, you know, via the link the link to the Facebook, so let's check that out. can see today it's pretty crazy. All the buses there as well, parked up for the Ring of, or not the Ring of Kerry, yeah, probably some of them are doing the Ring of Kerry tours as well, and other ones are doing the Slea head tour, the one that we're gonna do. So and that's, I'm not sure if you can see that good, but they're the boats that do Fungie the Dolphin tour. You can basically see him, you can do the tour, and if you don't see him, you don't pay. That's basically what happens there. So something to look into. It's nice. You can usually catch a glimpse of him. He's a bottlenose dolphin. I'll give you a look at that there now in a second as well. There he is, Dingle Dolphin Tours, original Fungi office, so you can book here as well, and the boats just go from down here. And again, approximately €10, and if you don't see him, you know, you don't pay, so usually get your money back in that situation. There are the boats there, and they do the Great Blasket Island tour as well. Just walk over along here now to show you some of the other stuff. And Dingle, County Kerry is a big fishing town, you know, a lot of boats going out, trawlers and stuff like that. Sometimes you get you actually get boats stopping here as well from Spain and different places. They stop over on the other point there, and sometimes here in this harbour too. So you do still have that where different countries, trawlers, you know, stop in to the bay. Not all the time, sometimes because of storms, and other times they just stop, you know, because of the fishing and stuff like that. But I think the laws have kind of changed within the fishing ground regions and where they can and can't fish. So it used to be a lot more. They used to have a lot more, you know, Spanish trawlers coming in and stuff like that, but it doesn't happen as much, you know, today. I'll give you a look at a boat here that's parked up as well, grounded on dry land. And let me know, guys, if you're you know, if you're in the community as well, the Facebook community, hit me up, message me, you know, if there's anything you want to know, if there's anything I can help you with. Be sure to hit me up with that. Also, if you like the content you see on the Travel Your Own Path YouTube channel, please like, subscribe and share. At the end of this video anyway, there'll be, well, actually the bottom right corner now, you've got the red subscribe button here, I think. So if you'd like to subscribe, that'd be great if you could support the channel. And also at the end of the video there's also a subscribe button as well. So got another trawler here, Atlantic2Wage.com. And so this is the Dingle Bay Harbour, County Kerry. And yeah, like I said, we're going on the Slea Head Drive today tour. So there's a lot of different things we're going to see. All the nets, fishermen. I'll bring you over along here another little bit. And it's really cool if you like seeing dolphins, you know, as well, like I was just saying there about Fungi. He's like the resident dolphin. Oh look, this guy. Seagull. Yeah, but if you like dolphins and you wanna see him, it's definitely worth going out on the boat trip. And 9 times out of 10, you know, well, maybe 8 times out of 10, you will see him. So yeah. That's it kind of for this end of the harbour. And sorry about the wind as well, guys, today. I know it's a bit windy, but just got up this morning and decided to go basically shoot the Slea Head vlog, you know, and do that section of Ireland. And so that's what we're doing today. Try and get some of the town for you as well soon, Dingle town, before we go on the Slea Head drive. And also I'll link underneath the description, or in the description there, of where exactly it is, and you'll see anyway in the vlog how to get there and all that. And it's actually some of the most beautiful scenery in Ireland. You've got a lot of beautiful scenery in Ireland, but on the Slea Head drive it's really, really nice. So I just walk back down here towards the edge of the harbour again, and for the next vlog I will shoot some of the town of Dingle. So just another thing I was going to say there, if you're interested in staying anywhere in Dingle, the Dingle Bay Hotel is a really, really good spot to stay. So okay guys, that's it for this one. I've shown you a bit of the harbour. I'll go down and shoot some more of it in a minute, and keep travelling your own path. Greetings guys, have a great day. See you soon.